Are you looking for the best VPN in 2024? So, let's not wait. Let's go and see what is the best VPN in 2024. To do this, you have to go to Play Store. Now, you have to click on the search bar and search for 1.1.111. And when you will search, you will be able to see the VPN is here. You have to click on the VPN and install it. When you complete installing, you have to open. And after that, you will be able to see the option Word Plus. Now you have to click on the three-dot option. Now you have to go to Advanced. Now click on Diagnostics and click the ID. So now after copying the ID, you have to go back from here and go to the connection options. And from here, you have to click on DNS setting. Now you have to click on Gateway, and here you will paste the ID you copied. Now from here, go back and you will be able to see the advanced option Zero Trust is enabled. Now let's connect. You can see the VPN is connected. Now let's go and try that is it really working or not. Go to the Chrome and search for the site which is not accessible from your location. So I am searching for the site which is not accessible from my location. So you can see that the VPN is working perfectly. Hooray! So you installed it. Now go and access any website you want. And please don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube video. Thank you.